Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angie. For those of you guys that don't know, today we will be doing a makeup haul. So it's a month, almost 2 months later. No, a month later. I ordered a bunch of this stuff during the 4th of July. Just because a lot of companies do have, at least the US based ones, do have a lot of like 4th of July specials. So this is around the time that, this is one of the times where I take a chance to order some makeup that I've really been wanting, I've been waiting for. I try not to pay full price for makeup just because makeup can be very expensive. So I always look for coupon codes, for affiliate codes, for any kind of discount codes that there are out there. And a lot of companies do have some that come and go regularly and some that don't, but usually you could find them a lot during like the 4th of July and obviously during the holidays, or sometimes they're celebrating like their anniversary or something. So watch out. I always turn on like post notifications, like on Instagram, on Twitter, just because that's usually where they post them on. So I am going to be showing you what I got, and I calculated what I would have spent without using a discount and what I actually ended up spending in total using a discount. So I'll be explaining everything to you guys. So I'm going to be starting off with this little package that I have right here. This is a package from Style Cosmetics, and I will insert a picture. I found them on Instagram and it really got my attention, so I ordered some like little kits, but they honestly took a while, you guys. They took forever to send out their packaging and stuff. So I ordered this about a month ago. Yeah, it's been a month. I ordered this actually in June. I ordered it, I believe, like June 19th, June 20th, and it just took forever. I actually had to email the company, but customer service did get back to me and they told me that it was on the way, so at least they replied. I just wanted to know like the status of my shipment. So what I got is a fluid effects, which goes with their pigments. I'm not going to be testing all of them just because I do want to do a full-on review of these, but let me go ahead and let's go ahead and do this one. So apparently what you do is you mix the pigment with the fluid effects, and it's supposed to make it into like a liquid eyeshadow, I guess. So this is, I mixed, let me see if it has the shade name. It does not have the shade name, but it's really pretty. It looks just like fine glitter, and I'm not sure if it dries down, but you're just supposed to mix it in. I'll do more research on it just to make sure that I actually am doing it right. But this is not a review, this is just me showing you guys what I got. So this is from Style Cosmetics. Without using a discount, it would have come out to $44.18. But I believe if you go on the website now, they do have a 20% off code that they have, which I ended up using. So my total came out to $36.38. So I just have like little notes right here, so you guys know that's what I'm looking at. So this is from Just Up Beauty brushes, just because I feel like I need more makeup brushes. So I went ahead and ordered some. I ordered a 15 set, which is this right here. It's nicely bundled up, and then I ordered a 25 piece set. So I'm going to show you guys what they look like. So this is a 15-piece eye set. They look just like that. And then I also got the 25. So let me show you guys. So it looks like we got the bigger ones. Apart from being in this little plastic sleeve, they also have a fishnet on top of it, which is cool. And then the smaller ones just have the plastic on it. So that is what I got from Jessup Beauty. So Jessup Beauty brushes, if you go online, they have different warehouse. They have a warehouse in the UK, a warehouse in the US, and then I believe a warehouse in China. So I ordered them from the warehouse in China. They said it would take about 10 to 12 business days, I believe. But it is cheaper. It was cheaper when I ordered it. If you ordered it from a US warehouse, and I'm in the US, if I had ordered it from the US, I believe it's a few cents more expensive. But I didn't mind waiting anyways, since I was going to be waiting for the rest of the packages anyways. So I went ahead and did the China warehouse. But I recently just checked it earlier today, and the US, if you ordered the same brushes, the 25 and the 15 cents, the 15 piece, it actually is cheaper now to get it from the US warehouse, which is kind of weird. I guess they mix their prices up all the time. But yeah, I did order it from the China warehouse. So, and the dollar amount that I will be giving you is without the discount code from the China warehouse. So without the discount code, I would have paid $46.32, but they were having some kind of 4th of July deal. So I actually saved about $5, and I ended up paying $41.13. So that's what I paid for those brushes. So now this is actually the first package that I received after ordering everything. And this one, I can't remember if I ordered it before or after 4th of July or the date of 4th of July. I honestly can't tell you guys. I forgot. I would have to check my email, or maybe it says right here. But because this is distributed from Burbank, and I'm not too far away from Burbank, it didn't really take long for it to arrive to me. So I decided to take advantage of the fact that our little baby is asleep right now. Okay, so I tried to take advantage of the fact that our 2 kids were sleeping, but they're not anymore. They're awake. For those of you that follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, you would know that me and my husband decided to get a puppy. I will insert a picture around here. And then my sister-in-law fell in love with our puppy, so as a late birthday gift, my mother-in-law got her one as well. So she's very scared at the moment, so she likes hanging out with Cass, which is what we named him, and they named her Sky. So if you guys hear them in the background, it's because they hang out with me. So anyways, this package is from Artist Couture, and I couldn't pass this opportunity up, you guys, because they were doing a huge discount. In my opinion, I have never noticed them do a huge discount like this. So I did grab 2 powders, 2 highlighting powders. I got the Gold Digger, and I got Cocoa Bling. So without the discount, I would have paid $63.13. With the discount, which I believe was 30% discount, I ended up paying only $45.97. So that's almost $20 off of these highlighting powders. Now we have some Juvia's Place. So from Juvia's Place, I got these, I believe it's a 9 set. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Yes, I got the 9-piece Pro Red Brush set. And this was $20. Yep. So it says right here, it was $20. $20 for the brushes. And then I also got a bundle. So they had these 2 palettes in a bundle. So I was able to get the Saharan Juvia's Place, the Saharan 2 by Juvia's, and then this is the Zulu by Juvia's. So I will insert pictures of these as well. So I got these. Now, everything on the website was 50% off. So they're originally $20. I was able to get them both for $20. And then the brushes for an additional $20. So that ended up being $40. But they did have a coupon code, a discount code, which I ended up using, which knocked off another $4. So originally I would have had to spend around $80 for what I got. But because everything was 50% off, and I used, I believe it was a 10% off code, I ended up paying only $41.95, which is almost, I'm just shy a little bit, $40 off of what I would have originally spent. Hey guys, so it is a different day. While I was editing this video, I realized that I lost the footage for the last package that I unboxed. So I'm going to show you what I got. The last package that I got was from Colourpop. So I'm going to show you what I got. Let me see. So I ordered 9 items in total. I tried to order all of the 9 eyeshadow palettes. So I try to order every palette that has 9 eyeshadows. So they have these little mini palettes in almost every color, as you can see here. The only ones that I'm missing are is the yellow one, which I believe is Oh Honey or Oh Honey, something like that. And then an orange one that just recently come out. It hadn't been released when I ordered these, so that's why I didn't get it. But I have it in almost all the other ones. Let me show you guys what I have. This is the Just My Luck, the green one. Then they have like this blue one, Blue Moon, Mad, which is like an aqua one. And then they have, what is this? Main Squeeze, which is a red one. Sol, which is kind of like a peachy orange one. Brown Sugar, a neutral palette. Ooh La La, which is a pink one. And It's My Pleasure, the purple. So this is what I had. I thankfully did save the paper where I had written down what I would have paid if I hadn't used a discount. So for Colourpop, without the discount, buying these 8 palettes, I would have spent $113.88. But thankfully, they did have a sale. They had a 25% sale, which made each of these palettes $9 when they were originally $12. So in total for the 8 palettes, I paid $78.80. So I will be showing you how much I saved. I do have this little paper right here where I had made the notes, so you could see this is what I would have paid in total if I hadn't used the discount, and what I would have paid in total with the discount. So with that discount, my total would have come out to $347.51. But because I used all those discounts, I actually only ended up spending $244.23, which means I saved over $100. I saved $103.28 for all this makeup. So if you are trying to be on a budget, unless it is limited edition, like it's only going to be out for a little bit, I would try to wait. The holidays are coming up. We are now almost in August. We're in the like last week of July, so August is almost coming up, so the holidays aren't far behind. So I would hold off on buying makeup. Make a note of every single makeup that you really want. Wait for those Cyber Monday sales, Black Friday sales, holiday sales, any of that. So you guys, because it will add up. As you can see, all that makeup did add up. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.